We just got done spending afternoon on the 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. It sounds like a Ninja sport bike. It is very, very fun to ride.
Extra 100cc boost has just made this thing awesome. I absolutely love the thing. It's so much fun.
I love the styling. I love that the small bikes are looking more like their big brothers. I think Kawasaki did a great job with this. It's totally capable in stock trim of turning a pretty good lap time.
And after a day bashing this thing around Sonoma Raceway, I can tell you that it's a really agile, communicative and fun bike.
Keeping the bike a little bit higher up in the power band here at the racetrack really showed how much of a potential track weapon this thing could be.
You don't even need a 600. You may think you do, but this little guy has got more than enough power, more than enough performance to satisfy most riders on the street.